This is Gamer Z, and we'll be continuing the tutorial of how to create an infinite runner. Now this will be the third and last part of the tutorial where we do some little tweaking and cleaning up of the events. Alright, now first let's get started with the platforms. Now from the previous video we finished with how everything will be set up, meaning the player can now get hurt by the sound background and if he falls off of the screen, and the platforms spawn randomly and then they go in the opposite direction of the player. However, what we need to know is that even though yes they come off of the screen in the opposite direction, they are still there or present in the game. So eventually there would be a million of those things and it would cause a lot of lag for the player, right? So we're gonna have to fix that. So first of all, we're gonna create a new sprite, and let's call this sprite the destroyer object. Let's give it 32 by 32 size. Let's make this have color. We're going to change the origin point to top left. Now we're going to carry it over enough, about here, and let's just make it long enough to cover the entire side of the screen there. And that's it. We don't have to do anything more for that sprite. Alright, now we're going to go into the event. And we are going to say, we're going to add an event that's outside of the events that we were doing. So add an event by itself and say platform collision with another object, which is the destroyer. Then say destroy. So if the platform comes off of the screen and hits this object, which is called destroyer, it will then destroy itself. This will clean up all of the platforms that go off of the screen so that it doesn't cause any lag for the player. Alright, so let's go ahead and test to see if we're going to be seeing any platforms disappearing before they come off of the screen, just to make sure that everything is working properly. Right, everything seems as though it's working properly. Now, if you've noticed, you are able to move yourself in the air just to make it possible to keep up with the game. Right? But you're moving a bit too fast and that can cause you to die like that. So what we're going to do is slow down the movement a bit when you're in the air. So under the player is alive, we're going to say player is on floor. Now yes, I just selected the player is on floor, but we want to be in the air when we want to slow down, right? So basically what you need to do is invert this event. So what you're going to do is press I on this event, and now it's saying player is not on floor. So it's the invert of player is on the floor. Right, so what we're going to do is set his speed to be a bit slower. So his speed should be what, 255? That's correct. So we're going to set his speed there we go, and see if we can find his speed, max speed. We're going to set his max speed to about 100. So that when he is in the air, he'll move a bit slower so that he can go over to the platforms easier. And because we set this to 100 here, we need something to set it back when he touches the floor. So we're gonna just say right here where it says player platform is on floor, set max speed to 255. Now let's go ahead and test this to see if it works. There it is working. We're moving a bit slower so it's easier to get onto the platform. Oh, I just died. And that, oh, wow. Well guys, this will be the final video for our Infinite Runner. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.